guys, Shawn here with Uneek Sign and Design, and today we're going to be adding a Phoenix graphic to this 1998 Pontiac Trans Am on the hood. I think we're going to add some Trans Am logos too. We're doing this for a guy named Jess Rosel. I think that's... Sorry if I butchered your name, man. This should be fun. Watch. Check out the hood. I think it looks great. They also added these little gold graphics over top of the old ones. Nick's over here heating the last one on. Alright, so we just did the Trans Am. So where's our Porsches, Ferraris, Lambos? Seriously, get some exotics in here, guys. We want to have fun with this. Tag all your friends with expensive cars in this video.